Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about what has happened in the recent past few days and what could be the trend for the next few days in these two cryptocurrencies. So we'll be looking at the trend, we'll be looking at the support and resistance levels and the direction and lot other things into these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and finally we have got some good news here. And if you remember, or if you have seen our previous videos, we were talking about this thing that the price is constantly creating the higher lows, and that is something which is good if you want to see the Bitcoin price to go up. And this is exactly happens here. And even the last low, the when the price made a last low, I just wanted to give a few seconds here, and I just wanted to explain why I'm looking, or why it is important to discuss on this thing. Okay, so this is the thing I am talking about. Let me just zoom it a bit. This one. So this area, okay, why? Because there are trend lines, there are support levels, there are candles, and from everything, to all of the things, the price just take a support there and started moving up. So this is something which is if you talk about technically, so here we are getting lot of good indications as of now that the price should go up, and that exactly happens on this day, which is day before yesterday and even today. However, again, this time when we record the session, we don't get much volumes, we don't get much trading activity, but definitely by the end of the day or by the evening's time, you will get more trading activity happen. And that's the reason we made this video at this time, so that you would be able to understand how you can take up a trade in the evening, or in the later part of the day. So now just look at this candle. These candle, basically there was a fall because the price again reached to the resistance of 22,600, and for good number of days it wasn't survived there, fell down, take a support at this particular trend line, and then starts going up. So this is something which looks interesting. However, I would still say that we need to have good volumes, we need to have more volumes, we need to have good buying activity, so that we might able to see that the price will go up. So the price is moving up, but it's in a very slowly fashion, right? So if we want that the price should go sharply upside, so for that we need to have good volumes, we need to have good trading activity. So that is something which is missing still as of now. And once we get it, we will see that the price will start moving up sharply. Now you can see that still the if you talk about the Bitcoin, so still we are slightly trading below than the resistance level of 25,823. So firstly, we would be looking at this level as the resistance level, and I'm taking the support at 22,600. So this is something these are the levels for the Bitcoin, and that will be there for at least few days. So till the time I'm not seeing good activity here, you can see that the price will trade in this area only. Also, if you look at one more interesting thing, that if let's say the price holds up the resistance level, if if the price trades higher than that, if the price closes higher than that, we will be very much near to the 100 EMA. So 100 EMA is at 27,265, right? And we have a resistance at 25,800. So this is something which looks interesting. If the price closes above the resistance, you will definitely see that if the price holds up this 100 EMA or not. Why I am looking at this thing, of course that is coming near to the price. Also, if you look at the two moving averages here, just look at this red colored line. This is the 200 EMA and this is the 100 EMA line. Now if you just look at these two moving averages, these are coming together. So whenever that happens, whenever you will see this kind of formation, you will definitely see something gonna big happen. So again it will take some time, because still there is a gap between these two moving averages. But if you see that if these are coming together, if you will see lot of other things, you will definitely see that the trend reversal will be on the card. So this is something which we need to be assured, and we need to just keep it on the watch list, that okay, this gonna happen in the next few days. So this is something which looks interesting. So first of all, the price should close above then the resistance area of 25,800. So that is the first step that the Bitcoin needs to do. And if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is showing much more strength than Bitcoin. And this is the daily chart, and we have got good good upside yesterday. Even day before yesterday it was up by 13%. Yesterday it was up by 5%. But why I am more happy of the yesterday's move? Because of the simple reason, I am getting good volumes here, right? So just look at here, the price is rising and with the good volume. So this is something which showing more in strength. You can say that here we are getting more probability of price getting higher and higher than the Bitcoin. Also today, so let's talk about yesterday's move first, and then we'll come to the today's momentum. Now yesterday it was a very good movement, and just look at here, this is the candle. The price was up by 5%. It exactly closes at 1725, where we have our resistance area. So still the price, so now it becomes a support area, and still I can't say that this is a support or a resistance area, because the price is just hovering around at this area. So what happens usually, after 2-3 days of good upside momentum, you will see a profit booking kind of situation. And that's also, today is the weekend. However, the market still opens tomorrow and day after tomorrow as well. But what I am saying is, here you might, if you see a closing, a profit booking, maybe you will see that 1725 as the resistance. If not, if the price closes higher than that, you will definitely see that now we have broke this resistance area, and also we are very near to this particular 100 EMI. So 100 EMA, I'm sorry. So 100 EMA is basically the level of this 100 EMA is at 1770. Now 1770 and 1725, you can imagine it's very close, right? So we will be definitely trading at the 100 EMA currently, and at the important resistance level of 1725. Now this is a very crucial time, okay? And if the price happens to close higher than this EMA and this resistance area, you will definitely see that the price will able to test this 200 EMA as well. So we have got the level of 200 EMA at 2352, 2350. So now the price might go up to that level. So this is what I just want to make you people understand, that here I am getting good indications, but in the middle of the trend you will definitely see profit booking as well. So I just want to see whether the price is still having some capacity, some upside momentum, and that we need to just see from the chart, that we need to see from the technical tools, and from the price action, that how the price and when the price should go up. So this is as if you look at the technical setup, if you look at from that perspective, you will see that you just need one confirmation that the price should go, and it should close above then 1725. If that happens with good volumes, you will definitely see that the 200 EMA will not be far. So this is something for the Ethereum, and so looking little bullish still. If the more if more trading activity, more volumes will come up, you will definitely see the sharp upside momentum will be there, at least in these two cryptocurrencies. All right, so this is this is what you can watch out. This is all you can look at into these two cryptocurrencies, and I'll be just signing off today. So if you are liking the this content, this video, please like it, click on the notification bell icon, also subscribe to the channel. And this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.